Optimizing your local business website is essential for improving your search engine ranking, driving more traffic, and ultimately attracting more customers. Here are the key steps to ensure your local business website is Google optimized. First, claim and optimize your Google business profile. Ensure your business is listed on Google Maps and Google Search by claiming your Google business profile, formerly Google My Business. Next, make sure to complete all details. Add accurate and complete information, including business name, address, phone number, website, business hours, and services. Be sure to use local keywords in your business description that describe your business and services. And finally, regularly upload high-quality photos of your business and use the Google Posts feature to share updates, promotions, or news. Congratulations, you've now taken the first steps to rank locally on Google. Don't forget to join us in part 2. Welcome to part 2 of Optimizing Your Local Business Website. In this session, we'll cover on-site optimization. Firstly, you should identify local keywords related to your business. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find keywords that customers in your area are searching for. Alternatively, check out what your competitors are targeting. Place keywords strategically on your pages, but don't overuse them. This is known as keyword stuffing, and Google hates it. Include these keywords in your website's title tags, meta descriptions, headings, and content. Finally, if your business serves multiple areas, create location-specific pages, for example, plumbing services in Manchester, with unique, relevant content for each location. This way, when someone from that area searches for your services, Google will serve them the correct page. Location-specific pages rank very well in local searches, so these are a must. Congratulations, your local business website is now optimized for local search. Don't forget to join us for part 3, where we'll discuss mobile optimization. Welcome to part 3 of Optimizing Your Local Business Website. In this session, we'll cover mobile-first optimization. Over 80% of first-time visitors will access your website using a smartphone. They may return later using a desktop or laptop computer, but that's assuming you've grabbed their attention on their initial visit. This is why mobile-first optimization is important, and you should always design your website so it works properly on a mobile device. Google also prioritizes mobile-friendly sites in its ranking, so your website should have a responsive design. A responsive website will adjust its layout depending on the device being used to view it. So if your website isn't responsive, you could be losing out on a lot of traffic. We have another video that covers responsive design in more detail. And finally, you should try to improve your website's loading speed by optimizing images, minimizing code, and using tools like Google's Page Speed Insights to check your loading times. Congratulations, you're well on your way to having a fully optimized local business website. Don't forget to join us for the final part, where we'll discuss citations, NAP consistency, and schema markup. Welcome to the final part of our local business website optimization course. In this final session, we'll cover citations, NAP consistency, and schema markup. NAP basically stands for name, address, and phone number, and these should be consistent across your website, Google Business Profile, and all other online directories, Yelp, Bing Places, etc. Inconsistent information can confuse both customers and search engines. Some marketing agencies will refer to NAP references as your website citations. And whilst they are similar, a citation typically includes more information, including your business services, business description, logo, and links to any social media pages. However, just like NAP, these should be consistent across the internet. One final optimization tip that many website creators overlook is schema markup. Schema markup, also known as structured data, is a form of microdata that you can add to the HTML of your website to help search engines better understand your content. It provides additional context about what certain elements on your site mean, rather than just what they say. By giving search engines clearer information, schema markup can enhance your visibility in search engine results through rich snippets, which may include things like reviews, product information, event details, and more. Thanks for watching, and we hope our quick course has given you a better insight into what it takes to optimize your local business website.